Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you an overview of QuickBooks Online Payroll. Now this video will have everything you need to know before you start using QuickBooks and how you can use it for managing payroll online. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the QuickBooks Intuit website. You can just type in quickbooks.intuit.com and you'll be able to see this landing page right here. And as you can see, they're currently running a 70% off sale on their plans. So if you want to check that out, then now might be the best time to do it. But here you can basically already purchase a plan or start with their free 30-day trial, which is right over here. You have 4 options to choose from. However, if you do start with their free trial, you'll still need to input your payment details because after the 30-day trial has ended, your account will automatically convert into the plan of your choosing. So here you have the simple start for currently $5.70 per month because of the 70% off sale. And you have these as your inclusions for the features. You also have the essentials for $8.40 per month, and then plus for $12 per month, and advanced for $22.80 per month. So again, just feel free to check out the inclusions right here. If you want to see more, then just check out their see all features in this section. So as you can see, all plans include free iPhone and Android apps at home, in the office, or on the go. You have free support, secure cloud storage, account access. You can invite your accountant or bookkeeper to share your books. And you also have reports and dashboards where you can see how your business is doing with customizable reports, as well as unlimited invoices. So you can keep sending unlimited invoices and let nothing stand between you and your money. All right, so that's it for their plans. We're going to head back to the main page here, and you can also actually see how QuickBooks work here, which I'm not sure if this is a demo. Okay, it is a video demo, so if you want to check that out, then feel free to do so. But for today, we're going to be focusing on what info we can gather from their website alone. So for starters, Intuit QuickBooks is a leading accounting and financial management software designed for small to mid-sized businesses. It offers a range of features to simplify bookkeeping, invoicing, payroll, and tax management. So here you have some examples of the small businesses that Intuit QuickBooks is perfect for. So features, bank feeds, cloud accounting, invoicing, project profitability, accounting reports, inventory management, data migration, expense tracker, connect your apps, VAT tracking, mobile accounting app, and you also have some apps and add-ons. So for pricing, you have here small business, account, and bookkeepers. And here for accountants and bookkeepers, you have events and see features, and you can also check some helpful resources. All right, so that's what you have for the tabs. Let's try to talk about the key features of Intuit QuickBooks. So first up, of course, we have the accounting and bookkeeping, which helps automate income and expense tracking. You also have a general ledger for recording transactions and reconciliation of bank accounts and credit cards. For invoicing and payments, you have access to customizable professional invoices, online payment options such as credit cards, ACH, PayPal, etc., and recurring billing and invoice scheduling. Now for payroll management with QuickBooks Payroll, you have access to automatic payroll calculation and tax deductions, direct deposit options for employees, as well as payroll tax filing and compliance support. For expense management, you can track business expenses via linked bank accounts or manual entry. And you can also organize receipts through mobile app scanning. And you have access to categorization of expenses for tax preparation. For financial reporting, you have real-time profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow reports, customizable financial statements, as well as tools for forecasting and budgeting. For inventory management, you can track inventory levels in real time while providing low stock alerts and inventory valuation reports. And it also supports multi-location inventory management. This is for QuickBooks Online Advanced. For tax management, you can calculate sales tax automatically based on location, and QuickBooks Intuit prepares and organizes tax documents seamlessly with the help of the TurboTax integration for streamlined filing. It also has a multi-user access, so this is role-based access for team members, accountants, and bookkeepers, and it also allows collaboration with external advisors. For the integration and app marketplace, you can integrate with popular apps like Shopify, PayPal, and Stripe. You also have custom integrations through APIs. And finally, for mobile and cloud access, you have a cloud-based software that's accessible from any device, and you also have a mobile app for managing invoices, receipts, and transactions on the go. So again, one of the main things that they promote is that you can manage everything in one place right here. So work from anywhere on multiple devices. You see a preview of how the dashboard and user interface looks like. So here, access and manage your books from your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone anytime you choose. You can also create access privilege so that your colleague or accountant can log in and work with your data online. So here, run your business on your terms, invoicing, expenses, and reports. These are the plans, features that help you run your business. So you have the invoicing, create professional custom invoices, expenses, bank feeds. These are the key features that we spoke about in detail a while ago. You have the VAT, capture and organize receipts, inventory, mobile app insights and reports, multi-currency support. You can send invoices, record transactions, and adjust reports in different currencies, and quickly assign currencies to different customers. Of course, they have security, and you can switch to from Xero, Excel, and other solutions to QuickBooks Online, and also made simple. So here are some frequently asked questions. Send better invoices and get paid faster. All right, so those are the main features. Let's try to check if we can quickly view their integrations. Is it here? Data migration, apps and add-ons should be right here. So we'll just take a quick view of what they have for integration. So see all apps. All right, so for e-commerce, you have the following categories here, but here are some popular names. You have Shopify by OneSaaS, eBay, WooCommerce, Magento, Etsy. So it's quite an extensive list as well. And they're also categorized accordingly. So feel free to check these out so that you can tailor your Intuit QuickBooks experience best to your business needs. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.